And what you should be doing, and they say you go around and apologize to the good people of the New Patriotic Party and promise them to be a good person and so about that good behavior, Eddie. And one year and yema about the party needing into disrepute. That's
Ebusian aha Ghana 7 TV GH mesero like a comment subscribe turn your notification so that anytime video bits away you upload there some can be
Nana Hesi would bisa say menu akwaku nti wona wogina so no say wo so ka say a deeper dance this kind of timbusa mo say Alfred Obeng former CEO boss ono kasa say nana na eya na omuvira fi say the war kan nyina person che say president Maha Akufo-Addo ene edidi jankofo why na wa aban no mu a ne appointment letter ne baye no na Dr. Bame ensa de chasi why no say obeye adwuma yi na die no eye fence Dr. Mahmoud Bamia ene yi na die. In fact so bi kwa betime dia dance here and in fact ono Alfred Obeng na mu ankasa kwaku Alfred Obeng na mu ankasa no busa ne say eye day enonya an appointment as managing director of Bost. I'm putting out today Dr. Bamena man say nya sa appointment
Alfred Obeng.
yes
You
Dr. Bamia wan toilet Dr. Bamia had to go to President Akufo-Addo to go and make a case.
Nienti say Alfred Obeng
They say Alfred Obeng appointment. I'm putting on record today.
And now odi ani bread in some unicode.
Dr. Bamia and the Copa and Akufo-Addo chaw introduce the man say papa your friend approach series wa boa party kakra me so support me kakra it say this moment the post ni bi no qualify. Dr. Bamia ni to so go to me a corona na betro krata no but ko pa President Akufo-Addo chaw and odi post man waku Alfred Obeng ye this how post the man no first 5 media persons are we share na meka ho ye osebe bo okubusa samia wuku okubusa kwamna mankwa of Statesman newspaper okubusa Michael Edwin of the Ghanaian Observer because you know NPP willing to assist, willing to help. Etiani Alfred Obeng Nazi, di nkomo. That was the first and last. Kwaku opa won ko fa na list. Won mu ana omo eye holiday, omo ana efa oil ni bi ekoma nkofo ni adade no. Ofa list ni na amra say before ye yi na die no. Kwaku before ye yi Alfred Obeng adie say wakwa bibi enye no. Hwamu eno omo yes supplies no. Offer less them bra. Na yen show no ani krom. Yen show no ani krom say delegates and wakwaje omani ma wose wo bia ye didija no. Delegates no edipa do say na Alfred Obeng e ma omadwuma ni bi ye. Anya A+ for the man no. A+ for the man no. Eno enye onobo kene Japan wa ma ni bi. Wa ma na buso ni bibi. Ye musa Alfred Obeng say onobo kene dia akompre kwa Japan. What has been his relationship with him for so many years? It's not down for no. Oye MD, wa mani bibiara, wa mani buso ni bia bibi wo boss one more dana. Na ukasi obi see the moment abeka say enkofo bi ye didijano kwaku na wo kan say so create dey.
Oh, so the seed of hatred.
And I'm going to see seed.
Let me see seed. Chama kasatente
the seed.
Make a seed aba.
Na aye and aye fertile.
Or buy or tayaba.
Oh, just say it would the truth a fertile so if you fit dentem. If you feel
no be aso ye pese you tu ohene a kwadu e bon wadisika na na to asase
evidence is ni ho
na na to asase na na disika kono wo ye hwan ibitu
kwaku media mesre honorable efene say so the MP baako honorable Alfred Obeng mesrew enye ma enkofo enkobiebie enema so sa because wo me da mete sisi
so can be
report wa me kwaku opa yenko busa chairman general ebra sa asem ne baaye ya ye courtema me ko bi ye ko sia boss ye dirika ye call boss ya buvumpi na omo ayi na ayi oil ni gumu no
tank
no obi akosuro kwaku me ye na me fro ye because e ha me tete me say NPP abanya bana na Virgin government na ye de corruption e ba beta
breaking the virginity
na me wo man FM me fra de ko hwe mu e ye report holomo me hwe na Peace FM report be ni ho me send chairman general message send balecho me wo moving pin na holomo no na me se me man report na chairman general ye program anopa elo o announce say me wo holomo because at na ba very topical issue elo say me ho to mo frame me e ma me man report say ye pepa wo ho e de aka do fita de afa wo ho say de obeye nie
wako na edidie ben edidie ben the same boss
edidie ben the same
edidie ben the same boss
na mencha de no enye se
enti no yera eni ameboyi mashada na me take time na mabo ye friend no Alfred Obeng na we any the seed 2023 enipa bi sei eduaye ewo NPP fo mu enema NPP fo MPA ankoto aba omode otan ene yaudie ene hye NPP fo mu na wotie tape no a ose aban no wo mu didi jam na adododie baaye obi akasa adodode ama oboa na nkromo nya sika ena omode bribe opinion leaders to so chairman no na otimiti nas no onim se chairman no en support honorable Ken so he is inciting the delegate against the chairman for the delegate to think say once a chairman no support candidate fufro no na ese wakwagia demude adodode no ayeche no ene wakwagibi abusia I am entreating John Dramani Mahama government. Say moving pina any Zoops oil report no and will Ministry of Energy. Say Alfred Obeng say adododie any nkrofo be wiesika any nkrofo be enretium ho any nkrofo ye dia. Then I am calling on the energy minister. Why the energy minister is here? John Jinapo. Say John Jinapo should revisit the books. Na onko hwehwe Senior Hosi Committee report no na omonfa recommendations of the report no enye adwuma ebiam on the 23rd of October 2023 there was another outburst ending the infamous dollar issue eba Ghana, and it was one of the reasons in tia enkrofo to aba and tia NPP because the same Alfred Obeng was captured on tape say wa dollars wa boa dollars anu gudem na odi koto vote enti obeto vote e wo the constituency baby ani anwaso be kwai na wa wini. That was the time na NPP government no battle with Chrono say ya accuse government no say omabo Chrono na government no eje ne ho a enye na perception about corruption e kosoro ani sikawia na party no fighting so hard to win itself from this corruption tag. Then you get a member of parliament on the ticket of NPP. Say she baby any anyaso be kwai. No ababo ntia be ka say media me wo dollars egudemu. Na me pese me to vote. Enti no obi a be contest me bia no me to vote. Ampania pa so primaries no wo to vote and we win ye. Okọ general election no ena baby ani anwaso be kwa afọche ne say sebi omo nyamwa ne ato mo. So the voters again they voted against him and see it say baby ani anwaso be kwa ora Alfred Obeng okoto twene ye and then na sa nipa no enya ne ho e ko round e so the seat of hatred in the NPP painting enkrofo black say enkrofo bia didi na dodode aba. But my question na me tie video no na me bisa me ho say so is it all about Edidie? It's election na ye koi and the president ye bedie. Is it all about Edidie? Say ye bedidi and I do have when did jamo, and I do have when did jamo. Is it all about the day? Obisa say, any part of the son will be the president to bet me a pecomco. Now, a year the Maomo, or Alfred Obeng, or call Bost. Now, be a MP no, or consequences, maybe any and you be quiet. Mepacho, or be all who be out man Diana. Nothing will be all who be a dia. Sank well, Lusu seat. Adena Moyesa going round and sowing the seed of hatred among NPP members, preparing the grounds so NPP would taste another defeat in the 2028 election. But I can assure you, say delegate Ninim, say Nienti NPP by unpopular ewo Ghana among Ghanaian voters no who Alfred Obeng two major scandals and a buyer boss to the no and my party no aba bemu for no very unpopular and the next woman this in Ibia kwan say onka scandal say see when NPP abemu a bust moving pina or born first because that was the major scandal that rocked the Akufo-Addo government. Oka say NPP corruption secure we good dem pa obeka say Alfred Obeng no dollars e good dem no say odi koto vote. Now here where we are now I can say enkrofo bi enema party no lusu ye. I am telling you in your face, Mr. Alfred Obeng, say you are one of the reasons in here NPP elusi 2024 election.
Country. And then because of this selective justice thing, people think they can also have the power to do certain things. It's like the laws are not really being enforced in the country. There are things that have been going on before they came to power, but when you are given the mandate, don't come and make comparison. You have been given for a reason, and you need to come and stand out. I don't know when this thing, politics of equalization, politics of all this is going to stop. Who is going to come in and say this is Ghana first and let it be like how the white people do it? When there is an election is over, that's it, and the country runs smoothly. We don't have this or that and that. And the law is supreme above everyone. The law works, things work. It's not like your party members. No, I don't have a problem when the MPP person have done something wrong and you are arrested and try fairness. And the same thing is done to an NDC member. Not like some people are at a certain period, they are immune to certain crimes, or they are not even immune to prosecution or whatever. It should let the law works. We all know what the nature of politics in Ghana. Because I stay outside the country, so I obviously I name myself efficient because I'm more interested in coming to Ghana to work, be part of the politics, and not because I want to be a politician, just to play my part as a citizen and as a Ghanaian. Because after living abroad, I like schooling here and staying here for a bit. I realized that if Ghana, we got a good economy, we got things running smoothly, I don't need to be here. Okay, when I come to holidays, sometimes I don't even want to come back. So we all want the country to move forward, and we want the security of the country, economic wise, and work together. Because the politics is too much. Okay, like I said, the democratic country, the Western world. I'm in the UK. If that's what they were doing, they would have stopped this democracy thing long time ago. They don't do these things here. And every time the country is put first, this is why a prime minister will resign for minor things. The 3 prime ministers resigned in the last 3 years. Liz Truss, Boris Johnson. So the things that like I said, the things that they do here, if we say we are learning the democracy, we need to adopt it well, and not let the democracy look like it just election. That you win election, that's it. You take everything, you take over the country. No, even if MPP, whoever is a party, if something is going on, I will speak against. I don't care. It's not like I speak for. No. So I think that the government needs to step up. If they've said this is what is going on, Imani have said this. Fine. You don't have to defend everything. Just go back and see. Because I don't know why the people don't take advantage. You have the majority now. Take advantage, manage the country well. Let the opposition find it difficult to even counter you, whatever. I know it's going to be 100%, but let your work speak for itself. But there's no doubt that as compared to when they first came to the last couple of the few months ago, as compared to now, they're losing. People are losing some whatever. It's not massive, but definitely there's a loss of confidence and that optimism how they have for them. So they should be watchful, because this is just 8 months. The next year, the next 2 years, before the next election, if they don't take care, you'll be back to you'll be on the hedge. You'll be on a cliff. cliff edge. So that they should take into consideration, especially the security, because sometimes one thing about Ghana, even if we don't really have money and the security, our security is okay. This is why even if things are not, in terms of security wise, it's not that bad. People are happy to go about their daily work activity, but definitely that security matters have really been affected, and they know it. And so they should watch out and try and come out and be firm with the law and whatever. I know President Mahama was talking about insult and all these things. We should make a law. I agree with him, even though people are saying that things people have done it that they benefited him. But no, that doesn't mean we're gonna be watching things and let the country slide. They should pull laws. There was criminal libel law before because people are abusing democracy. But we make laws to find solutions to society problems and make sure that people are deterred from doing certain things. So they should do that, and when the law comes, it should catch everyone and not be selective about it. Not because you're a party member. Because I remember I was watching the by-election. People were justifying how a commission beating because of the previous election. What is the man's name, Advoca or whatever, what he was doing, and the threat was doing. If you do this and let people like that go by, and then you arrest certain people for minor misdemeanors, people are going to complain about selective justice. So this is my first time coming here, and because I followed you, I'm sure next time I'll be passing here.
Listen, you to Obama no be the party no so.
There be.
Party na. Ideology na CPP no eniho anoma to atwene. Na den na pen kroma ideology no nko dwane CPP. Ana nko fa CPP ni mfa mba power. Na kroma ideology no umeye. We kura kire wo se wo NPP ni na wo dasum yeso dwen a we kire wo se sani pa we wonye nipa adwembone abomutrim omunye nipa sisi edo di party anim ti meyan so so omoso mayan so omoso me kaka me de manusi no na obi abam no hwe omo a omoso omo petumi ni nyina yenhwe obia ni tumi ni na hoɔden di otimi ye di party na ti ya hwe omo betimi aboa party no ene oman Ghana eno Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia etikasi eda so daye etikasi eda ebo adwem niema omudi gu akwamu no wo akire na wo se nyansani ayade we eno ti na emu bi edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi because nyansa nya media man no eyade ede ba beboa oman hwe ene nanado obi se nanado ye kanka bi ono no sole ye na yi oye tin God ubusa na se dem nanado ye tin God nso a o se okofa Bawumia de be share NPP kon sani pano so akọ school ba onim se